Hello everyone, how are you all? So, as exams are by the corner, so of course everyone would be studying and doing things properly. So now this is Pragya Saxena and we will be covering the banking and financial awareness portion. And that also the whole session is going to be in the form of multiple choice questions only. And here we are preparing for the upcoming exam of Union Bank of India Local Bank Officer for 2024. Friends, if you are interested, then you can check out the description box of ours. Why? Because there we have provided you a link for the current crash course which is being provided from our official channel of Knowledgist. In this crash course, we will be providing you with 400 plus classes. Mock test would be there, 5,000 plus banking MCQs, one-on-one expert faculty would be there in your touch. And apart from it, throughout the syllabus, the whole syllabus would be covered. Every single subject is going to be covered in that particular crash course. So yes, if you are interested, you can check out the description box and can go through the link which is being provided there. Otherwise, if you are having some other sort of queries, any questions or anything you want to discuss us out, then you can contact us using our WhatsApp number directly. Clear? So now, let us not waste much time of ours and start with very first question of the day. What is it asking? As per the Reserve Bank of India's second bi-monthly monetary policy of the financial year 2024-25, India's real gross domestic product GDP growth projection was dash for financial year 25. So question is simply asking us go through, if you go through RBI's bi-monthly monetary policy report, clear? Then what will you be going to know? What is the GDP growth projection which was being provided in that particular report for FY25? So we are currently having five options. Is it 7.0%, 6.50%, 6.75%, 7.2%, or option 5, that is 6.25%. So how much is it, friends? Which option is the correct one? Take your time, have 5 seconds, and then we will discuss it out. Question is a straight one, but yet important. Why? Because it is not asking you about the overall GDP growth. It is asking you the second bi-monthly monetary policies financial years. According to it, what is India's real GDP growth projection? Clear? So yes, great. This time the correct option is 4. That is 7.2%. See, apart from it, I have added here few other rates also which were being provided in this bi-monthly monetary policy report. Clear? So these are the RBI's policy rates. Different categories are there. First one is, if you talk about the policy repo rate, then it is 6.5%. If we talk about fixed reverse repo rate, it is 3.35%. SDF, that is the standing deposit facility rate, it is 6.25%. Marginal standing facility rate, MSF, which is 6.75%. Bank rate has come up to 6.75%. CRR, that is cash reserve ratio, is 4.50%. And last is SLR, that is the statutory liquidity ratio. It is 18%. See, if you are not able to just remember it in this scenario, you can use the increasing or decreasing manner. Like here also, this fixed reverse repo rate, it is the lowest. Okay. And after that, which is in the row, that is CRR. So you can remember it out like the fixed reverse rate, then CRR, then both. So yeah, this is the basic thing you can be using. Then both others would come. Both others here are, first is SDF, that is 6.25%. And after that, which one is there? Policy repo rate. More than that is MSF rate, and last and highest is SLR, that is at 18%. Clear? Now, and another information is there that RBI, this is important, RBI has announced the inclusion of auto replenishment facility of FASTag, NCMC card, which we all know it is National Common Mobility Card. We have already discussed about it. And last is United Payments Interface, which is like UPI light wallet balances, and these all have done by these new amended facilities. Clear? Now, next question is asking which organization has recently mandated the Know Your Client, that is KYC registration agencies, to update their customers' KYC information on CKYCRR. What is it? It is the Central KYC Records Registry. So question is simple yet important. And what is it asking? It is asking simply the name of that organization. What has it done? It has mandated the Know Your Client, which is KYC registration agencies, which in short we call as KRAs. What are KRAs being mandated? They are mandated to update their customers' KYC information on this records registry, which is Central KYC Records Registry. So, which one is the correct option? Is it option 1, that is International Financial Services Center? Option 2, Competition Commission of India. Option 3, Securities and Exchange Board of India. 4, that is Reserve Bank of India. Or option 5, National Company Law Tribunal. So, learn shortly is saying option 4 is correct. Niladri, option 4, okay. That is Reserve Bank of India. Others have 5 seconds and think, what should it be, dear? What should it be? Is option 1 the correct one? Which one is correct? Anyone else? Yeah, great. So this time the correct answer, my friends, it is option 3. That is Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Which means if we talk about 6th of June 2024, then we would come to know that SEBI has issued a circular which has mandated this KYC registration agencies to update their customers' KYC information on which registry portal? On the Central KYC Records Registry. And friends, this uploading of KYC data was being under commencement from 1st of August 2024. See, these new guidelines, they basically, what is the basic aim of these new things? These new mandates. So these are being done so as to simplify customer onboarding process. Why? Because by this, the reduction of turnaround time would done, and of course, the turnaround time which is being taken to register new clients would get reduced. Both are the same things. Clear? So yes, if you talk about it, the name of the organization, it is SEBI here. That is the decision maker. And if we go through the basic aim behind these new guidelines, so it is just to simplify customer onboarding process by like how? So it is done by reducing the turnaround time to register for the new clients. Clear? Next question is asking, which company has recently announced a co-lending partnership with the State Bank of India to empower rural women entrepreneurs? So question is simply asking us name of that company. What has it done? It has announced a co-lending partnership with SBI, and aim or their objective is to empower rural women entrepreneurs. So is it Poonawalla FinCorp Limited? Option 2, Northern Arc Capital Limited. Option 3, Epify Technologies Private Limited. 4, Bajaj Finance Limited. Or option 5, Muthoot Microfinance Limited. Which is the correct option this time? Anyone? We just have to tell the name of the company. So, are you having any idea? Friends, have 5 seconds. I would not be interrupting in between. What should it be? Niladri, Akshay? Learn shortly. What should it be, dear? Which is the correct option? Okay, Vikas is saying option 1 is correct. So yes, this time the correct option is 5. That is Muthoot Microfinance Limited. See this Muthoot Microfinance Limited, what has it done? From the question also we know it. It has announced a strategic co-lending partnership with the State Bank of India. And in this, what will it do? It will extend its financial services to women entrepreneurs in the rural and in semi-urban regions across India. And friends, if we go and talk deeper, like about this partnership in deeper manner, so we would come to know that Muthoot Microfinance and SBI, what will they do? They will jointly lend to members of joint liability groups who are engaged in agricultural and any other elite activities as well as other income generating enterprises. So this is the basic schedule or the basic scenario these are going to undergo or follow under this particular partnership. And now we talk about the loan amounts, how much loan they can be borrowing. So the loan amounts will range from a minimum of rupees 10,000 to a maximum of rupees 3 lakh, which will like providing a substantial boost to women entrepreneurs from rural and from the semi-urban regions across India as well. Clear? So now, coming up with next question, which is asking, which bank has recently signed a co-lending agreement with Ashwa Finance Limited to provide unsecured business loans to the micro, small and medium enterprises? So, question is asking the name of that bank. What has it done? It has signed a co-lending agreement. With whom? With Ashwa Finance Limited. So as to provide unsecured business loans to MSMEs. So is it State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, HDFC Bank, Karnataka Bank Limited, or option 5? That is DBS Bank Limited. Which one is the correct option, dear? Should it be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Have 5 seconds. Take your time. What should be the correct option? Okay. See, here we have been provided by a term that is unsecured business loans, right? So what does it mean basically? What does the difference like? What is a secured business loan? What is an unsecured business loan? So an unsecured business loan is a basically a loan that doesn't require collateral. What does it do? That doesn't require any collateral. Like they don't need any property or equipment to be like secured against the loan. And apart from it, instead, the loan is approved based on your credit worthiness and the health of your business on two factors, on the credit worthiness and health of your business. So such loans are being called as unsecured business loans. And these loans are basically, friends, a good option for all those business that don't have a like lot of assets to use as their collateral, or any business that need funding more quickly, because these will definitely be providing faster processing times. Okay, minimum documentation process would be there. EMIs would be like affordable, so that is the basic thing when we talk about unsecured business loans. So what should be the correct option for this one? Yes, it is option 3. That is HDFC Bank, which is the correct one over here. Option 3. So friends, what we just came to know that Ashwa Finance Limited, which is erstwhile Jain Sons Finleys Limited, it is part of the impact investor Avishkar Group. What has it done? It has signed a co-lending agreement with HDFC Bank, and HDFC Bank, we all know, it is one of India's leading private sector bank. And this partnership, like this whole co-lending agreement, has been done to provide unsecured business loans to micro, small, and medium enterprises. Friends, this co-lending will deal with like to enhance the Ashwa Finance's partnerships for lending to micro, small, and medium enterprises. And if we talk about how much loan is being provided, so yes, unsecured business loans range from rupees 20 lakh to rupees 50 lakh. And the time period they are being provided are for like from 12 to 36 months. And repeat customers can avail of loans up to rupees 75 lakh. See, what does we basically mean from this repeat customers thing from here? For an example, they are saying they will be providing you a loan or like to the business. The loan is being provided a minimum of 20 lakh and maximum is of 50 lakh. Clear? Not less than this or like not more than that. So in that case, what will happen, my friends? See, if like for an example, I'm the owner of any business, right? And I am requiring loan of like for like 2 to 3 times. So I can't be borrowing less than 20 lakh. Okay. So what will I do? If I am going for the like first time, I'm going for a loan of 20 lakh. Yes, they will provide it to me. Again, I'm going like for a loan of 20 lakh. Yes, they will provide. Again, like I am requiring that no, now as I have already borrowed 40 lakh in two manners, in two installments, right? But now I would be requiring more money. So in that case, as 40 lakh I have already taken. So how much more money can I borrow from them? It is 25. So in my third installment or third time of borrowing this loan, taking into this loan, I can be going with how much? No, it is 35. How can I be going with? I can be having 35 lakh after that only. Why? Because all these three will be making 75 lakh. And if also I am like their repeat customer, then also I can be availing on the 75 lakh of loan. Okay. So yeah, as they would be their already customers in their first, like after their very first time, they would be taking loan. Second time they would be taking loan. So at the third time, they would already be there, like the existing people. Very good, learn shortly. So yes, now coming up with next question, which is asking which organization has recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the Atal Incubation Center at the Anna University Incubation Foundation in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Reason is to enhance the startup ecosystem. So is it Indian Chamber of Commerce, Alliance of Digital India Foundation, Andhra Chamber of Commerce, Apna.co, or option 5, National Skill Development Corporation? Have 5 seconds, think about it. What should be the correct option from these 5? It is simply being asked the name of that organization. What has it done? It has signed a memorandum of understanding. With whom? With Atal Incubation Center at Anna University Incubation Foundation in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And it is being done to enhance the startup ecosystem. So, which is the correct option, dear? Having any idea? Having any idea? Anyone? Okay, lunch shortlisting option 5 is correct. That is National Skill Development Corporation. So this time, my dear, the correct option is Andhra Chamber of Commerce. So this Andhra Chamber of Commerce, it has signed a memorandum of understanding with AIC at the Anna University Incubation Foundation, which is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So as to boost up the startup ecosystem and support aspiring entrepreneurs. And friends, if we talk about this joint initiative, then the strategic tie-up would help both partners to utilize their strengths to reach a wider audience with this AIC Anna University Incubation Foundation, which is basically their aim to achieve. And apart from it, Anna Incubation Center will incubate startups with the Andhra Chamber of Commerce, and it will promote their events, outreach programs, and it will definitely focus initially on social sectors. Clear? Next question is asking, name the shipbuilding company that was recently chosen to build the Defense Research and Development Organization research vessel with a deal of approximately rupees 500 crore. So, is it Hindustan Shipyard Limited, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers? Option 3, Cochin Shipyard Limited. Option 4, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. Or option 5, Reliance Naval and Engineering Limited. So which is the correct option? Are you having any idea? They are simply asking, this is an important question, dear, and they are asking the name of that shipbuilding company. What has it done? It has like been chosen to build the DRDO research vessel, and the deal was of approximately rupees 500 crore. So what should it be? Lunch shortly saying 3. Okay. Have 5 seconds. This time, dear, the correct option is 2. That is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. See, basically, this Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, which is a leading Indian shipyard, what has it done? It has said to build a new research vessel for DRDO. The deal is of 500 crore rupees, and after submitting the lowest proposal, GRSC was chosen to build DRDO research vessel. And from this decision of GRSC, of course, it highlights GRSC's competitiveness in shipbuilding industry and its ability to deliver cost-effective solution, because here also it provided, or like it bid with the lowest proposal. Clear? So now, next question is asking, who was appointed as the chairperson of recently formed RBI committee to examine the feasibility of digital payments intelligence platform to reduce payment fraud risk? So recently a new committee so as to examine the feasibility of digital payments intelligence platform has been created. And why it has been created? It has been created to reduce the payment fraud risk, and being formed by Reserve Bank of India. So question is simply asking the name of that person who is being appointed as the chairperson of this new committee. So is him M. Damodaran, Rajiv Kher, Abhay Prasad Hota, VSK Kaumudi, Vinod Kumar Paul. So which is the correct option? Iladji and learn shortly. Akshay, all are saying it is VSK Kaumudi. That is option 4. Okay. Anyone else? Have 5 seconds. Is anyone having any idea? What should it be? Okay. So this time, my dear, it is option 3. That is Abhay Prasad Hota, AP Hota, which means Reserve Bank of India has formed a committee under the chairmanship of Abhay Prasad Hota, who is former MD and CEO of NPCI, that is National Payments Corporation of India. See, what is the basic reason behind this committee is forming? It is being formed to examine various aspects related to setting up of a digital public infrastructure for digital payments intelligence platform, which is proposed by RBIE. And apart from it, friends, this proposed digital payments intelligence platform will be equipped with advanced technologies that can help to reduce payment fraud risk. Clear? Now, next question is asking, which bank has recently launched a new SME digital business loans product for MSME sector? Is it Karnataka Bank, State Bank of India, Yes Bank, option 4, Small Industries Development Bank of India, or option 5, Indian Bank? Which is the correct option? They are simply asking, tell us the name of that bank. What has it done? It has launched a new SME digital business loans product for MSME sector. So which is the correct one? Anyone? Yes, great. This time the correct option is 2. That is State Bank of India. So if we talk about 11th June 2024, then India's largest public sector bank, which is the State Bank of India, what has it done? It has launched a new SME digital business loans product. And reason is to cater the credit requirements of micro, small and medium enterprises. That is the MSME sector. See, this new product will enable SBI to sanction the loan requirements, like the loan request from MSMEs within 45 minutes. And apart from it, SBI has also waived the requirement for financial statements for loans like up to rupees 50 lakh. This is important. And friends, it will definitely rely on transaction history and GST reserves for the appraisal. Apart from it, SBI has partnered with 23 NBFCs or housing finance companies, and it has been done to expand its reach to the underserved and unserved segments in India. Clear? Next question is asking, which organization has released its report titled Global Economic Prospects June 2024? stating that India's gross domestic product growth projection for FY25 was revised to 6.6%. Is it Moody's, Brand Finance, Asian Development Bank, Reserve Bank of India, or option 5, World Bank? So, what is the question? Question is simply asking the name of that organization. What has it done? It has released its report, and the name of that report is Global Economic Prospects June 2024. What is being provided in that report? It is telling that India's GDP growth projection for FY25 was 6.6% in the revised manner. So, which is the correct one? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? Okay, learn shortly saying option 3, that is Asian Development Bank. Anyone else? Have 5 seconds. Which one should be the correct option? Yeah, great. So this time, dear, the correct option is 5. That is World Bank. So according to the World Bank's biannual report, which is titled Global Economic Prospects June 2024, India's gross domestic product growth projection for FY25 was revised from 6.4%, which was projected in January 2024, to 6.6%. Apart from it, this is important, it has also revised India's GDP growth by 20 basis points, which is 6.7% and 6.8%. This 6.7% thing is for FY26 and 6.8 is for FY27 respectively. And this report also estimated that global growth will be remain stable at 12.6% in FY25, and the global growth is expected to marginally increase to 2.7% in FY26, and in FY27 also it will remain same, which means it will remain 2.7% in financial year 2027 as well. Next question is asking, yes, Niladri, you were absolutely correct. The correct option for previous one was ADB. So, name the company or the organization that has recently signed a cooperation agreement with UAE's Edge Group to set up R&D facilities. So, question is asking the name of that company or organization. What has it done? It has signed a cooperation agreement with United Arab Emirates Edge Group to set up R&D facilities. Is it Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Adani Defence and Aerospace, Defence Research and Development Organization, Mahindra Defence Systems Limited, or option 5, Bharat Dynamics Limited? Which is the correct option? Have 5 seconds. This is an important question, dear. What should it be? Anyone? Learn shortly, sing 3. Okay. Okay, so this time, dear, the correct answer is 2. That is Adani Defence and Aerospace. See, this Adani Defence and Aerospace, which is defense subsidiary of Adani Enterprises Limited. What has it done? It has signed a cooperation agreement with Edge Group. What is it? It is one of leading advanced technology and defense group in United Arab Emirates. And friends, it aims to establish an international platform leveraging the defense and aerospace capabilities of like both the companies, and it is just to combine their expertise in missiles, weapons, and manned platforms, etc. And it is also to meet the requirements of global and local customers, all these both at the same time. So this is basically the aim behind this collaboration or behind this agreement or initiative. And apart from it, the agreement will also explore the option to set up a research and development facilities in India and in United Arab Emirates at the same time. Clear? So now, friends, that's all for today's session, and we will be meeting tomorrow again with further questions. Till then, if you are interested to prepare in a proficient manner for the upcoming Union Bank of India's LBO exam 2024, then you can, of course, check out the description box. The link is being provided there for the crash course. And if still you are having any query regarding this session or regarding any of the sessions, so you can check out the comment section, go through the comment section, and of course, you can contact us on a 24/7 basis. We are there for you so as to provide you with flying colors and flying marks. So till then, signing off, Pragya this side. Thank you, everyone. And yes, study properly.